You ever pick up a stranger off the street and they turn out to be a Louisiana bank robber? Well, I have. Don't believe me? Well, watch this. Hey, brother, you need a ride? I can give you a lift.
I got it, bro. I'm just going right up there with it.
Well, hop in. You got a heavy load there. I can get you to where you need to go.
All right, bro.
Yeah.
All right.
You don't want to get your piggies all cold and soggy here and all this.
Thank you very much.
And all this sleet and everything. What do you have going on today?
Well, nothing, trying to get my money straight.
Oh, what's going on with that?
I don't know, bro. I just got this card in.
What do you have? You have Social Security?
Yeah, Social Security.
Oh,
but I got this card in, food card, and I tried to use it, but it didn't take it.
Let me see. Maybe I can help you.
All right. That's fine. This card here. I put it. I think I don't know the pin. I don't know the pin number, man. I tried to put in the last four.
Can you get cash from that? Is that the idea?
So. I think so.
I'll tell you what. Have you talked to them down at the Shalom Center about that?
Yeah.
What did they say?
No, I didn't. I didn't talk to them.
You know what? They're probably pretty good at setting that up.
Well, that's where I'm going, bro. Right at the Shalom Center.
You want to go down to Shalom and see if they can help you?
Yes.
Because I think with those healthy or those Indiana cards, if you qualified for cash, that there is a way. They do give you some cash money, but you obviously need your PIN number. Yeah. Have you gotten money out of that thing before?
No, I just got this first, I think.
Okay. So you want me to take you to Shalom over there?
Yeah. Bro,
okay.
Yes.
Absolutely. And what's your name, please?
Ricky. And you?
I'm Zook.
All right, Zook.
You want a pop here?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure? It's free.
I'm good, bro. Thank you.
So where are you living these days?
I sit right up here on 1st Street, but up the hill. Where the hospital used to be. Turn the first left turn, going up to the hill.
Oh, okay.
And I just stay in apartment 3.
Oh, you got a crib there through the. Who's helping you with that? Is it like the Monroe County rep?
No. I had help find this apartment. People at Sunstone helped me to get the support.
Well, they do a good job there.
Yes.
They do a good job. That place is definitely a blessing. So what else has been going on? What do you do for fun or recreation? Any?
No, bro, just look at cartoons.
Oh. Well, I liked Wile E. Coyote.
Okay.
You remember him in the Roadrunner?
Yes.
The Wile E. Coyote was always painting something on, trying to get the, or he'd saw the branch, but he'd be on the wrong side of the branch. And it seemed like there was always an anvil falling on him. You know, wham. Well, are you a Bloomington native? How long you been around here?
I've been up in Bloomington since '98.
Now, where were you before then?
Indianapolis.
Oh.
Trying to think of the street.
That's God's country up there, isn't it?
Yes.
Land of milk and honey?
Yes. I'm trying to think.
Yeah, we can just go and get looped around here.
All right.
Did you have something to eat today? Did you get some breakfast?
No, not yet.
Well, you're looking a little skinny. Make sure you.
Yeah, I'm very active though, bro.
Do you still have family up in Indianapolis?
New Orleans. I'm from New Orleans.
Oh yeah. Well, now that's the let's see. The French were the first ones to show up there, and then I think Andrew Jackson threw them out. Or no, Andrew Jackson threw the British out there. But that's why they call it the French Quarter in New Orleans.
Yes.
Did you ever do that Mardi Gras thing?
Man, that's wonderful, bro.
It sounds like it's a big party, huh?
Yes, it is.
Did you wear the kind of the dunce cap hat that those guys wear?
No.
Because you're supposed to dress up for that kind of thing, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah. So what do you have family down there then?
Yeah, my whole family.
Are your parents still with us?
No, both of them died. My dad died when I was in prison.
Oh, you were in the can?
Yeah.
Where?
Angola, Louisiana. Angola.
Oh,
State
that's the big house there.
Yes.
What'd you do? You weren't like a bank robber, were you?
I used to rob.
You were a bank robber?
Not a bank robber, but I got busted. They called me about 2 hours later after I robbed. I got disturbed, man. My mind is kind of.
Oh, take your time. What'd you rob? Like a gas station or something?
No, it was a credit union.
Credit union.
Yeah.
Nobody got hurt, I hope.
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, I'm glad you got your life turned around now, don't you?
Yes.
Do you make it to church once in a while?
Yeah, I haven't been in a while. I got to start going.
Well, remember, nobody is beyond redemption.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
And you can live a very successful, peaceful life, but you don't want to hurt anybody, and you don't want to go back to that big house.
No.
How long were you in the can?
19 years and 8 months.
You were in for 19 years?
And 8 months.
Wow.
I went in when I was 39. No, I went in when I was 19 and got out when I was 39.
How were the accommodations? Was it pretty raunchy?
Yeah, it's all right.
How about the food? Was the food left to be desired?
I think so.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you very much.
Well, why don't you go on in and just let them know what's going on, and I'm almost positive they can help you.
All
Your name is?
Ricky.
Ricky, it's a Korean car, you gotta.
Okay.
And I want you to look for me, Ricky, okay?
All right. What was your name?
Zook.
Zook.
I'll help you out, and I'm glad to see you got your life turned around.
All right.
Okay? Obey the law and go to church.
Yeah,
You'll do great.
That's what I got to
And
do.
obey the law, go to church, and look for me, I'll help you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you, bro.
Okay. Well, that's the first. The guy robbed a credit union, he said. So that's the first bank robber that I've picked up that I knew about. He was in Angola there in Louisiana, and they do like 2020 like specials on Angola. That's like the real big house there. That place is full of bad dudes, I think. But well, it's nice to see. He's just kind of walking around. He's got a place. He's got his own place through the I don't know, the Monroe County Housing Authority, working with another government agency here. So it's like I said, no one is beyond redemption. Ding, ding.